Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to allow user registration on your WordPress site without using a single plugin. By the end of this video, you'll be able to open your site to new users, letting visitors create their own accounts quickly and securely. Whether you want to run a community site, allow guest content, or simply build an audience, enabling registration is your first big step. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign into your WordPress admin dashboard. If you haven't done this before, just add /wp-admin after your site's name in the address bar, and you'll see the login screen. Go ahead once you're inside, you're in the command center of your site. Next, look over at your menu on the left, click on Settings, then select General. This is where you control a lot of the site basics. It's kind of like a backstage pass to your website's core settings. Scroll down until you find the Membership section. Here, the key part, check the box that says anyone can register. This single click is what flips the switch and lets people sign up on your site. Don't worry, it doesn't turn your site into the Wild West. You're just giving people a door to knock on, not a key to the castle. Okay, so you've let people in, but what can they do once inside? Just below, you'll see the New User Default Role option. This is important for your site's security. It decides what level of access anyone who registers will get by default. You'll see a drop-down menu. I strongly recommend setting this to Subscriber. Why? Because subscribers have the fewest privileges. They can't publish posts or change big settings. They usually can just read content and maybe leave comments. Think of it as handing out library cards, not access badges to the staff room. A quick but very important heads up, never ever set this to Administrator. That would mean anyone who registers has total power over your site, definitely not what you want. Keep it at Subscriber, or if your site needs it, another restricted role, but never anything that could compromise security. Once you've double-checked your choice, scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is crucial. None of your changes will go live until you hit that button at the bottom. Don't be surprised if the page reloads. That's WordPress taking in your new settings. Now your site technically allows registration, but here's the thing, your visitors need a way to actually find the sign-up page. By default, WordPress creates a registration link at your site, com/wplogin, PHP action equals register, but most people won't stumble across that on their own. To make it easy, let's add a registration link to your site's navigation menu or maybe your sidebar. Think of it as putting up a clear, friendly sign that says, New here. Register. Head over to Appearance and select Editor. This is where you can change your site's layout and menus. Add a new custom link to your menu, and in the URL field, paste your registration page address. You can label the link something welcoming like sign up or register, whatever fits your style. Save your changes one final time and voila, you've created a friendly, easy-to-find invitation for new users, and that's it. You're all set up to let visitors create their own accounts, and you didn't need any extra plugins or complicated steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. And for more straightforward WordPress tips like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and good luck building your community.